Today, I'm going inside a Coca-Cola style factory to show you how this drink is really made. This is where everything ST arts. Purified water is mixed with sugar and Coca-Cola flavor syrup.
This machine blasts COCC into the drink at crazy pressure, and that's how Coke gets its fizz. This is the moment Coke becomes alive. Minag, the fizz you taste starts right H-E-E. There is no way these tiny pieces turn into bottles. They HS fast. They fill thousands of bottles every single minute, and this doesn't even look real. Huh.
This machine labels so fast, it literally looks like a magic trick. Every bottle is checked. Pressure, labeling, batch coding, all before it reaches you. Bro, this is so cool to play. The plastic literally melts and hugs the bottles perfectly.
These pallets are now ready to be shipped to stores. Kenlick, this is how Coke reaches YOU. Seeing all this, it's crazy how much work goes into every single bottle.
And we still have one last step before this reaches the world. Let's finish this. And this is the final product chained, ready to go worldwide. This entire process is insane.
When you see the entire journey, you realize how much work goes into every single bottle.
We went from water to cirrus, to fizz, to bottles, to the IS moment.
And that is how Coca-Cola is really made, from water to the bottle in your hand.
If you want me to show how Pepsi is made next, HIT that subscribe button.